Hey my harmonies, today I'm going to be showing you guys my full in-depth curly hair routine on how I get super moisturized curls and defined curls. First, I'm just going to rinse on my hair by using cool to warm water just to make sure all the product in my hair will easily melt off while I'm washing it. And the shampoo that I've been using lately is from Keratin, and it's their refreshing shampoo, and it has keratin, biotin, and sea kelp extract, and this is so good for the scalp. This improves scalp health, and that means that this will improve my curls, and the stronger my curls are, the more defined they'll look. I really love this shampoo, and it's also super moisturizing too, and you guys will see how moisturizing it is towards when I'm done using the shampoo. And even though the shampoo is really moisturizing, make sure to still focus it on your scalp, because this shampoo is designed to stimulate hair growth and unclog hair follicles while moisturizing your scalp. So yeah, when it comes to the shampoo, make sure you really focus it on your scalp more than your hair. Now I'm just rinsing out my hair using cool water, and while I rinse out my hair, I feel a cool sensation, like a minty sensation on my scalp, which feels so comfortable. It feels like I'm in a spa, and I love that. And I'm just gonna shampoo my hair again just to make sure that my hair is extra clean. Like there's no product in it at all, since I do have a lot of hair. My hair is really thick, so yeah, I have to shampoo my hair twice always. And just look how moisturized my curls are with only using the shampoo. And now I'm going in with the Keratin Refreshing Conditioner that hydrates, controls hair loss, and promotes hair growth. And it has keratin, avocado oil, and avocado is so good for the hair, and aloe barbadensis. And this conditioner smells so good. Like the shampoo and conditioner are a duo, but like with the conditioner you can really smell the scent better. It really smells refreshing. And now I'm just parting my hair into two different sections, and this is how I detangle my hair while I'm in the shower. I just finger detangle, and honestly ever since I gave my own haircut, it's been so much easier for me to detangle my hair. I don't have any dead ends, and it's just so much easier now. So make sure you guys go check out that video. I'll leave it down below. And once I'm done finger detangling, I go in with this detangle comb, and this just really helps detangle my hair even more, just way better than my fingers. But then I just twist my hair and go on with the other side, and just look at my little curl, it's so cute. But yeah, this conditioner works so good. It's really thick, which is, oh my gosh, I love thick conditioners, deep conditioners, anything that's really moisturizing, because I know for a fact it's gonna really go in and help define my curls and moisturize them and just make them look very alive. Then I let the conditioner sit on my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes. It says 1 to 3 on the directions, but you know, for curly girls, it's different. We really need to let it sit in our hair for a while, and I'm just gonna detangle my hair a little bit more. Then I'm gonna rinse out my hair using cold water, and I love how on the directions of this it says rinse out with cold water. A lot of products nowadays don't even say rinse out with cold water, they just say rinse it out. But no, this lets you know that you need to rinse out with cold water, because when you do that you lock in the moisture and it reduces frizz. And now I'm going to be using a refreshing mask, and this has pomegranate extract and argan oil, and this is so moisturizing for your curls. Like, I love this product so much. Like, I can feel my curls like soaking in this mask, if that makes any sense. And I'm making sure to evenly distribute this in my hair so each and every curl would have this mask on, because I'm also putting a heating cap over my head while I'm taking my shower and doing like my little shower routine. And let me know if you guys want to update a shower routine. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, oh, also I'm gonna use my detangle comb or brush because that helps too. You guys, this heating cap from Keratin is a complete game changer. Like, you can use this for your hot oil treatments or deep conditioning or using a hair mask, and all you have to do is put it in the microwave for about a minute or a minute 30 seconds. This cap literally stays warm for about almost an hour, so it's worth it. Then after I'm done doing my shower routine, I'm just rinsing out my hair with cold water. Then I went to cool because it's too cold. I was freezing my tail off. I was like, no, we're going to cool. But I'm glad my hair is not frizzing up, and this is why I love the shampoo and the conditioner and the mask, because each of these products did not frizz up my hair, and especially the shampoo. Like, the shampoo works so good. And in this clip, I was literally out the shower for about 30 minutes and my hair did not automatically freeze up. Like, look how moisturized my hair is, and I didn't even put no product in it yet. This works so good. But now I'm going in with my Keratin leave-in conditioner, and it has argan oil, keratin, and shea butter. And y'all know how shea butter works in our hair. Argan oil, like any natural oil, works amazing in our hair, and this just helps detangles, nourishes, and defines curls. No parabens, no sulfates, no sodium chloride, and this is specifically for the curly and coily girls and even the wavy girls. But as you can see, I'm just parting my hair into small sections, and I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going in with the Keratin styling gel, and this just has marshmallow root, and it smells so good. And of course, Keratin, and with aloe barbadensis, and everything that I'm using in this video will be linked down below, so make sure you guys go check out my description. And I'm going in with this comb too, and this really helps define my curls. Like, I love this comb so much. I forgot the actual name of the comb, but this comb is really it. She that girl. But yeah, I'm just doing the exact same thing throughout my hair, parting it, wetting it, going in with the leave-in conditioner, then the styling gel, and this really helps define waves and curls and manages frizz. And honestly, out of everything, this is probably one of my favorite products, because y'all know I really love gel. Like, gel is like my top. And another main reason why I really love this gel is because it smells so yummy. It smells so sweet, and it's just like, it smells delicious. Let me just say that. It smells really delicious. Now with the leave-in conditioner, it doesn't really smell like anything, but it really helps moisturize my hair. And then I'm just doing my baby hairs, and I don't really be fancy with them while my hair is down, because they're not gonna really be seen anyway, since my hair is gonna be parted in the middle, and that's like my signature look that I love doing. I definitely prefer a middle part than a side part, especially with my curly hair. Then I just let my hair air dry for about an hour, then I go in with diffusing my hair. And if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how I diffuse my hair, let me know in the comments, like this video, because there's a little technique that I do that really helps my hair look very voluminous and just help with the defined curls, and especially with the shape, because you don't want your fro looking flat. So let me know in the comments. And in between diffusing, I go in with a pick, and this just really helps get in my hair because my little fingers can't do much. So yeah, this long pick really helps. And it's the next day, and look how luscious and defined my curls are. Look at the cut, like, oh my gosh, I love my hair so much. It took me a long time for my hair to get like this. Then just recently I started testing out this keratin intensive growth drops, and it has gotu kola extract, and this is really good for the blood flow, for hair growth. And I mainly just put it like on the top center of my head where I mainly have like tension, because I do wear buns and ponytails a lot, and that can cause pulling, which can cause hair loss. So I just massage that into my scalp. Use my code Symphony15 to get 15% off your keratin products. And thank you so much to Keratin for sponsoring this video. And thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed my in-depth and in detail curly hair routine. Like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. We're almost at 25,000 subscribers, and it means so much to me. And also comment down below what other curly hair videos you guys would love to see from me. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.